Hey guys, so today I am going to teach you guys how I do my nose contour. I know there's a lot of different methods out there on the internet, and mine slightly differs just because I don't have that big of a bridge. Mine is really kind of small, and my nose is flat and it's not narrow. So this is just gonna be a little tutorial on how I go about contouring my nose. Hey guys, it's Kia Shanti and welcome to my channel. Okay, so for my nose, I actually use a foundation stick that's slightly darker than my natural skin tone to contour, like where it has like a cream contour. And so the foundation stick I'm going to use today is this Revolutions Makeup Stick, foundation stick in the color F18. And so I use, to help contour my nose, I use this angled blending brush by e.l.f. And then I also use this brush by Morphe. I don't know the number, but it looks a little something like this. And so I just tap a little bit of the product on the brush, and I make a small line starting from the beginning of my eyebrow down my nose. Do it on the same side. And I don't go all the way down. I just stop halfway in the middle of my bridge. Okay. And so for the tip of my nose, I'm going to create like a U shape. Like this. And then for the top of my nose, I create a half a circle, almost like a C. But I don't connect the U and the C. I leave a little space. And so you should end up with something a little bit like this. And so to blend out the edges, I'm going to use that e.l.f. Angled blending brush. And I just blend this up into my eyebrow. And down. You don't want to blend it up, you want to blend down and out. And then for the bottom part of my nose, I'm just going to blend it down and out. For the top, I'm just going to blend out that C, and then I'm going to blend it into where it meets the U. Okay, so once it's blended out and it looks a little something like this, so then I go in with my concealer. And I just put a little bit in my inner corner right here, one on the tip of my nose, just a little bit, and then the excess that's on the brush, I just do like 2 little lines, something like that. So usually I let my concealer sit right here and then I would go and bronze the rest of my face. But since I already did that, I'm just going to blend it out, and I'll show you how I blend it out. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Flawless concealer brush. And I'm just going to blend out the concealer under my eye. And so when it comes to the nose area, I just go right in this area here. I don't bring my concealer down right here just yet. Okay, and so when you're blending it, you want to just keep that concealer in this area for now. You want to kind of bring it closer in because you want to eliminate that space to make your bridge seem a little bit smaller. Okay, so once you have something a little bit like this, I just go in and I just tap where I put that concealer on my nose. You don't want to do too much because the more you put in this area, the more concealer is going to like spread out, and you don't want it to spread out too far out because then you're going to have to go and correct that. But I just tap it, and then here I just brush this up. I don't blend it out. Kind of just blend it upward into my forehead. Okay. So when you're right here, I use a bronzing palette. Which one do I want to use today is the question. This one looks cuter. So I'm going to use this Juvia's Place bronzing palette in the color dark. And the color I'm going to use is going to be right here at the top. I'm going to use that same angled blending brush, and I'm going to tap a little bit of the powder in it. And I'm going to like kind of wipe the excess off because you don't want too much on there. And then those same areas where you put that cream contour, you just go back over it with the powder to darken it up. So then you go back in with that same concealer brush with the little bit that you still have left on there, and then you kind of blend this out. Because you don't want any harsh lines. You just want to lightly dust it. Then go back in again with that same brush. And so to set where I concealed, and I put that concealer. To set where I put that concealer, oh my gosh. I just use a translucent setting powder. I should probably show y'all. I'm gonna use this translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna set where I put that concealer under my eyes. And because it's like a white powder, I don't want to bake in it. It doesn't give me flashback, but I don't want it to be really, really ashy under my eyes. So I'm just gonna put some powder right here, and then dust a little bit along my bridge in the center of my nose. Going back in again with that same bronzing color. And I kind of blend mine out into like my eyebrow area. Okay. And I just dust this away. And so for the highlight, I'm gonna use this Black Radiance True Complexion palette. It has a highlighter in here, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone, and then the bridge of my nose, and then like the tip of my nose. And so I don't usually go all the way down my bridge. I kind of keep mine right here in the center, and I just kind of lightly dust the rest of the product right there. Add some of my inner eyes. And I go back in again. I don't use any extra product. I just use whatever is left on the brush to kind of make sure everything is like blending in together. And yes, and then that is it. Okay, and this is just how I contour my nose. If you like this video or you simply like me, leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.